because I recently got this little mirror. This is a whole other putting green. Hey girls, I am heading to practice a little bit of short game today. I wanted to take you guys along though because I'm finding that it really helps to have a practice plan to follow. So if you guys want to do what I do, that could be fun. I'm basically going to do like a chipping and putting drill that just counts my percentages. It's what we used to do in college all the time. It's a really nice thing to track because if you keep a little like notebook or something in your bag, you can say like, okay, today was my first day doing this. I got 20% up and downs, right? And then there's obviously room for improvement. So I haven't done this in forever, but I'm thinking like 10 stations, all different types of shots, 10 balls per station, and we'll see what percentage of up and downs I get. And then I'll also maybe track like which types of chip shots I was struggling with more and which ones I was like pretty good at. And then same with putts. We're here and I'm nervous. I haven't been here before and I kind of just forgot that I haven't been here before. So I get a little nervous, especially because I want to film and stuff. And I have no idea what the practice facilities look like here. I don't even know if they're going to have a chipping green actually. So fingers crossed. This is like a whole putting green. This is a whole other putting green, which is crazy. And then this is a whole like chipping facility. And then over there is the range. It's too busy. I might just putt a little bit because I recently got this little mirror. And I cut across my putts a ton, so I need to work on that. So we need a couple of tees. Do I have tees? Oh my god, I'm gonna not have any tees. I have exactly 2 tees. We'll just pick a hole. I feel like this is probably a good one. And just put these like right there. We'll line that up in a second. We don't really have that much space to chip because there's a ton of people over there. So right now I'm working on putting. I'm gonna try to make like 10 putts in a row, just going really slow, being unhurried, and we'll see where that gets us. We made it to the short game facility. I'm gonna set up for our little drill. We basically just want to get like 10 balls, pick a hole, and see how many times we can get up and down. I haven't done this obviously in a really long time, so I'm curious to see where we sit. I'm gonna go for something decently easy. We're gonna start off with this chip right here, just going to that hole. I would call this like kind of a bump and run. Yeah, like a mid-level bump and run. My goal is to beat the last score, which was 60%. Let's go try to do that. we got 80% on that one. I got 60% on my first go, which was not good. But basically, you'll just keep doing this and you can try all different kinds of shots. You could try all different kinds of clubs, challenge yourself, have fun with it. And I like to keep a little notepad in my golf bag just to like keep track of how I'm doing and what shots have been harder for me, what clubs are harder for me. Just a really nice way to progress over time. So I'll see you guys next time.